Hello. I'll just take you guys through what we've built. So first, I'll just define the problem we're trying to solve. If you've ever had a time when you were interested in learning about a niche topic or pursuing a hobby or passion, or you struggled to find relevant materials due to cost, limited access, geographical constraints, outdated materials, or limited availability, maybe in your local language, struggle to have a community where you could discuss niche topic. We thought about having or being in this kind of situation, and we said, you know what, let's build a community, let's build a tool that could overcome some of these challenges or barriers to access to easy discovery, easy knowledge, easy leisure from literature. So yeah, we said, let's go ahead and build a community, a virtual one, a place where everyone has access to share and they can find what they need. Now, Open Source Book Hub, it's such a community. It provides access to diverse genres of resources, including hobby-related ones, and aims to reduce the challenging barriers to sharing and accessing knowledge or niche readings. And we aim to do this by empowering learning, literary leisure, exploration through community-driven open access. That's why it's called open source. Everybody gets to contribute, and everybody gets to find what they need. Now, as a new user or a first time user hitting our page for this web app, you'd realize that we have our tagline, our logo. The very point of this logo is that it kind of just shows uploads going into the cloud, and you can check it out. You can decide to read a book or check out the blog or get there soon, create an account. If you want to share your favorite book with the world, you can decide to collaborate with us. We're just calling on bibliophiles, you guys that love to read, that love learning about stuff, that love relaxing with resources. You can come here and maybe join us one way or the other, or techies. If there's a way you feel you can make this community better through tech tools, you're free to reach out to us. You can check out the forum, join the conversation, check on topics and all that. Then frequently asked questions, who we aim to serve, you can check them out. Problems to solve, you can check it out. What services we offer, you can check it out. How to join the community, you can check that out. Definitely, if you reach out to collaborate with us, if you feel like you need a bit more info, just read more and you have that. Now, we are a set of three guys who built this, and we are looking at continually using emerging tech tools to solve the problem of humanity. We have humanity at our heart. Philip literally is a brilliant software engineer who loves learning about the inner workings of highly efficient systems, constantly creating innovative tools. Davidson has a strong computer engineering background and networking, and of course a pro at finding quick solutions to complex problems. While my name is David, and I bring a unique blend of creativity and technical expertise to every project. I have a background in architecture and construction, thus I have some very good attention to detail and problem solving skills. Now, we built this as a portfolio project for a program we are rounding off with. The program is called ALX Software Engineering Program, Full Stack Software Engineering Program. So this is a full stack application, and they're in partnership with Hobarton School, a coding school founded in Silicon Valley, California. So yeah, you can click here to maybe go to other demo links. Click here to check out our GitHub. You can get to contact us, copyright and privacy, basically. Then, of course, if there's any issue concerning anything that's not uploaded and anybody wants to make a complaint, you can click here to reach out to us. Cool. So, as a person not logged in or who hasn't joined the community yet, right? If you decide to read a book, of course, you'd see just populated with some data. You'd see available books to read. You can choose any you like. Let me say you're a techie and you would like to read something about programming. You can go to automate the boring stuff, and yeah, it takes you to the selected resource page. Now, if you notice, it says you can preview, and realize that you can't download directly, or the ease of download has been removed. So the hope is to give the general public a taste or an access as much as we can, but still encourage that they join the community to make things, join the community to make things easier. So you can, if you're comfortable reading this way, sure, you can go ahead and read this way, no problem. But to have unrestricted access, download it to read at your own time and all that, you would have to log in. Before logging in, I would love to show other aspects. Check out the blog so you can see there are blog topics that has been populated already. Say you want to read something fun, Naruto versus Bleach, and you click on it, so you have this and you can read through. Now, in order to comment or to like, which will pop up here, you will have to also log in. So you have access. Everybody has access, but the deal is you have to be a member of the community to ensure that you actually give the same way you're taking. It's a community, but we kind of encourage that for there to be taking, you have to at least have given once or have joined the community. So if you want to, let's go to the forum, right? Let's go to the forum. If you want to join a conversation, there are already conversations going on, just some data populated, best productivity tip. You have to log in to actually comment. So those are just validations set in place to ensure that a person actually joins the community and gives the little they can to the community before going ahead. And so let's say I'm a first time visitor and I have to sign up. I can decide to either sign up manually, or if I have an account, or I have some third party app. We have that also. You can come here and use a third party authentication to basically sign in. I'll be using my GitHub as a sample, which you'll be seeing soon how that works. So successfully signed in. Basically as David Inkart, that's my name on GitHub, so you can see the welcome message here. Now let's go back to what we tried doing before. Now you can see upload a book or article to unlock download button. Now this appears because I've not uploaded anything to this community. I've not given anything. The basic idea is that you should be able to give at least one little thing, no matter how little it is, just one little thing, one little book, one little article, one little stuff. Just so if not, you would not be able to download any book. And it's just a one-time thing. Once you've given just one book, shared one interesting book, or whatever book you find amazing and you want the world to know about, you have a lifetime access to download or read whatever you want. That's all. So it's free, no payment, nothing, but just encourage the community by contributing. It's open source, so you guys will be the ones to actually contribute and grow this thing. So let me go to upload a book. Bash 101 parts. I'll just leave the authors and temporal. It can be any author, of course. And I'll click my upload again and see how that goes. Yes, and that's it. Bash 101 hearts. You notice I didn't add a cover picture, so the default cover picture kicks in and all. And of course, I can decide to preview this the same way I did the rest, or download. Now I can download a file, but I'm not interested in this. I just uploaded it. Let's go to what I came for originally, and let's say this is what I want to read, automate the boring stuff. Now I click it. I've previewed it before, so I can just, but now remember we had uploadable to download. Now download file pops up because I've met the least requirement to be a member. So I'm just going to click download file, and voila, you have your book, and you can click on download button and you have it. I don't need to do this because I already have this file, so I'll just close that up and back to here. So that's about the book. Now that I've uploaded the resource, I have unfettered access to the community. I can check out a blog post about hosting. Let's check out something else here. So you see this, I can decide to post a comment, say this is a good article, thanks for sharing. And you have my comment. This is a good article, 1 minute ago, thanks for sharing. I can decide to clap, right? So you see the clap is increased to 1 right there. Now because I didn't post this article, if I did post it, you'll see an update and a delete somewhere there where I can update this article or delete it, right? So that's to check out the blog. Want to upload your revenue. This is go ahead now. You remember it was sign up. but this has become go ahead because I'm signed in and I've uploaded the book. So you want to collaborate with us, you can easily just reach out, send a message here, and we will get back to you in case you don't have the resource you're looking for, or a suggestion or a complaint. And yeah, so of course the forum, you want to join the forum, see what's happening, see topics people are discussing, favorite book of all times. I can decide to post one and I post, yep, so it shows up here, comments. I can decide to go back to the thread, I can decide to create a new thread, and it does work. I submit. Now I can go back to the thread, right, and it shows up. This is a new thread by a first time user, right, basically. So that does work, and people can comment and tell me how the experiences have been and all. Yeah, so while on this, you can go to each of our, so this is the Twitter, you can see the link heart, so that does work. But not to waste your time, go back to LinkedIn, that does work, right? Then my GitHub, that does work, right? Yeah. So for this project, if you're interested in looking at the GitHub, the code for this project, it's actually hosted here. This is just our individual GitHub. It's hosted on David Singh, joined in as collaborators. So if you go there, you see it, OSBH, and yeah, so that's basically it about web service. So thank you so much for taking your time to go through. I'm not sure if there's any other feature or really interesting tidbits I've not shared yet, but I guess it's just a little introduction into where we are right now. We're still a work in progress. We hope to make it better. It works, like basically, but not as good as we want it. So suggestions are welcome. Meanwhile, we will keep on doing our due diligence and keep working on this to make it better, and hopefully some very good products for the general public, which will remain free someday. Thank you so much for your time.